Hey, to use sound equalizer in the JBL Live 770 headphones, first of all, you will have to open the JBL headphones application. Then you will have to go into the equalizer, and as you can see right here, we can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 presets. So we can switch between them by selecting each one, but also you can customize them by clicking here on the settings icon and then change frequencies. If you want to save them, click save. Also, we can create the new one by tapping on the plus and set it up to your own preferences. If you want to give this, if you want to name this preset, you can click here, erase this data, and then you can just click save to finish. There we go. And also, if you create these presets, you can delete them by tapping right here. So as you can see, that's actually quite simple, short tutorial about the functionality of this equalizer mode. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.